Hi guys, off na sad ko. So I'm making something special today and it's called bagoong. Bagoong is a fermented fish famous in the Philippines, but bagoong is a Tagalog word for this fermented fish, but in my province it is called ginamos. Ginamos' main ingredient is anchovies or bulinaw, but then today, since our Asian store doesn't carry anchovies, I will just use silverfish. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look at that. So, and then I use 1.5 pounds of silverfish, and then the rest of the ingredient will be salt, vinegar, and then garlic and ginger. This recipe, actually, I saw my mom made the bagoong when I was just in 3rd grade, and I was so amazed that she made it herself. And now I cannot believe that I'm making it on my own. So that's why it's really nice to be observing your parents while they're cooking. That's how I learned actually how to cook, by observing my parents. So I'm kind of happy when my kids observe me, especially my son, cooking, because I know and I understand that even though they are not really practicing and doing it, but eventually when they are by themselves, they will really get curious and they will eventually do it. So it's all good today, and so let's move on and then let's make this bagoong or ginamos. So first thing we do is that we have this 3/4 cup of sea salt, pero I will just use half of this to clean kinda the silverfish. So let's just do that and then use half of it. You can use your hand doing this, but I'm not really in the mood doing that, so I'll just go ahead and do it like this. Try to make sure that all this salt will go into the deep creases of the silverfish para ma-wash ko siya maayo. So actually, my neighbor in the Philippines was their business is making bagoong too. So what I saw them making it, and then oh my goodness, they're making like pounds and pounds of bagoong or ginamos, and then I'm just so amazed at how they do it. They even use their feet, just like you are doing making wine when you step on the grapes, and it was really very interesting. Yeah, we always eat this with lemon and with fried fish, and usually I put kamatis or tomato for this. And next is I'm trying to drain the excess water from here. Actually, I have 2 days off today. It's actually paid because it was my birthday yesterday, and then my company, we have, if it's our birthday, we can take off 1 day leave with pay. So it's nice of them to do that. So what you need to do is drain the excess water here. Hinahinay lang kay para dili mabungkag ang silverfish. Now I will have this salt with around 3/4 cup of vinegar. And just dissolve the vinegar. I cannot believe daghang kay water itong katong salt. Keep on draining it until it has minimal water in it. While you are waiting for this salt and vinegar mixture to dissolve, kaya ba mo guys, I'm so conscious about speaking English because of my very hard accent. And to be honest, I'm just practicing how to do this vlogging stuff because I really enjoy it. I'm planning to be vlogging hopefully for a long time. And my vlog is called The Skinny Pot. And I've been vlogging for 4 years. For sure, wala siya kaayoy traffic. I'm not earning money from it. But then I enjoy doing it. So I'm planning to be doing it for the rest of my life. That's what I feel right now. So I hope if you did not subscribe or did not check the blog, please go and visit it. There are so many Filipino foods I posted there. So it's really fun to do. And I'm working on my pictures too. So that's really a very big struggle for me. So understand if I have a very hard accent, okay? Because it's really very hard. Maglisod ko musulti og Bisaya. It's hard for me to speak Bisaya, it's hard for me to speak Tagalog, and it's hard for me to speak English too. So I do not know what to speak anymore. So daghan kayo siya tubig. So just keep on draining it until wala na siya tubig. Although it's not possible that there's no more leftover water, but the minimal, the better. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then pour the silverfish sa salt and vinegar mixture, and then mix it again, and then I'm just gonna throw this away, okay? So mix this again. So it's the vinegar that makes this bagoong slowly get fermented, and the salt mixture too. The taste will be for those non-Filipinos gonna try this. This will be like a fermented fish, so this will be very salty. But then it could be, when you are eating it, it could be neutralized with vinegar, and then you can put a lot of tomatoes in it and garlic, and then this is really perfect with fried fish with the salt and the vinegar. And then now you can add your ginger. This ginger is about 3 grams. Oh my goodness. Although you have to ferment it for 3 weeks or 2 weeks, it's already really good. but don't eat it yet. I just tried a little bit. I have to return it. So, and then half of the garlic, I will mix it in there. Humot siya. So guys, please check my blog and then the other videos. I also made lumpia. I had a lumpia recipe in the blog, and then I had video recipe too. I will put the link below. And then do you know that I made luhopia too? That's one of my favorite, and I bet one of your favorites too. So I will put the link down there, and then you can make it on your own. It's really a very good hopia recipe. Never made a mistake, never failed me. It never failed me, that hopia recipe. So try it, okay? So now, since it's all mixed up, I'm going to drain it again using the same container I did. And then I'm planning to put this. I think this is not big enough. I'm not sure about this. Let's see. Maybe it's good enough. Let's see here. We can just transfer it. I'm worried about this. Let's see here. And aside also from hopia recipe, I have sardines recipe also. It's in the blog too. And I also had a video for that, so you can check that out. Di masud. I guess I have to press it really, really good there. Maybe it fits. So try to remove all the air there, and then now you have to put the garlic. And then, okay. And then pour in the vinegar and the salt mixture. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for 3 weeks so that I could eat all of this. But when I was little, my mom tried to ferment the fish for 3 weeks, but it doesn't last. And after 1 week, we're already trying to eat all of it because it's our favorite. Okay. So just set right here. And then you have your bagoong. So put it in a really dark place and then seal it good. And then, oh, this is not the one. So this is not the cover for it. So this is the real cover for it. So there it is. So make sure that this is really clean, your container. So and then put it in a dark place. I usually just put it under my pantry, the dark side of my pantry, and then just make it and then wait for 3 weeks.